In this video, we'll teach you how to send your crypto from Kucoin to your Cash App account. Of course, there is only one cryptocurrency you can send from Kucoin to Cash App, and this is the Bitcoin because Cash App only supports the Bitcoin. So, if you don't have available Bitcoin wallet address on your Cash App account, first of all you need to activate the Bitcoin function and create a wallet on Cash App account. Or if you have got available wallet, you just need to copy it. So you need to open your Cash App account. If you have got available Bitcoin wallet on your Cash App, you can just click the Bitcoin in the bottom menu, or if you have not created yet, you can click the bank icon in the bottom left corner, scroll a little bit down, and right here you will see Bitcoin. You need to click the start button and you will create the Bitcoin wallet. Once you will create the Bitcoin wallet, you need to copy it. And after you will copy your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address, then you need to go to your Kucoin account, click on Assets in the top right corner, go to the account where you have available balance, most likely you have on your funding account. Right here you will see the withdraw button in the top right corner. You need to click on it and then select the Bitcoin right here. So just write BTC and choose the Bitcoin. In the withdrawal address, you need to paste your Cash App Bitcoin wallet address, and in the network, you need to choose the Bitcoin BTC network. After that, you need to enter the amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer and finalize the transaction. In a few minutes, you can check your balance on your Cash App account. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to click the like button and don't forget to subscribe.